Every day, truckloads of rubber waste arrive at our site. From everyday passenger tyres to heavy-duty truck tyres, massive mining tyres weighing several tonnes, and kilometres of worn-out conveyor belts. Each load is carefully weighed, recorded and placed into dedicated storage bays, ready to begin its new life. From here, powerful machines feed the material into our state-of-the-art processing plant. This is where the transformation begins, turning waste into raw materials for the future. The first step is shredding. Enormous steel blades bite into the tyres, cutting them down into large, manageable pieces. What once seemed indestructible is reduced to chunks in seconds. Next, metals are separated. Powerful magnets pull out the steel reinforcement used in tyres, recovering thousands of tonnes each year for recycling. The clean rubber continues on its journey. The rubber is then reduced in stages. First in pieces about the size of your thumb, then into smaller granules, next into coarse crumb, and finally into a fine powder, less than 0.5 millimetre across. At every stage, precision engineering ensures consistency, quality and safety. At this point, the fine powder enters a special process called devulcanization. Here, advanced technology breaks the sulfur bonds that once made rubber so tough and durable. By unlocking its original properties, the rubber becomes soft and workable again, ready to be reborn as new products. From there, the devulcanized rubber takes one of two paths. It can be supplied to manufacturers to create essential products, from new tyres and conveyor belts to automotive components, hoses and wear parts. Or it can be moulded and cured into our own range of high-quality products, tough, durable flooring that improves animal welfare across global agricultural markets, from beef and dairy to equestrian and general livestock applications. This is recycling at scale. With over 130 full-time personnel across 3 sites, we are reducing waste, creating new products, and building a more sustainable future. By combining purpose with progress, right here in Rockingham, we're proving that what was once considered waste is now a resource, driving industry forward and protecting the planet for generations to come.